Hey guys, my name is Dwayne, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Thank you for joining us. If you're new, thank you for coming back if you're an old friend. Today I'm here, I'm looking like a pumpkin spice latte on the face because fall is approaching. Fall has approached. And even though it doesn't feel like fall outside, we can start doing fall things like spiced apple cider, apple picking, pumpkin things, right? Today we're going to be doing a fall lip lookbook for black girls. So stay tuned if you want to see what lipsticks, gloss, and liners I think you should have for the season. There are a few things in life that I love more than a black girl and a vampy lip. Like, it is life. It is life, okay? I'm gonna set this video up just like I've set up my other two videos like this, my certain color lips for black girls video. We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna start with the liners. Everybody doesn't have MAC lip liner money, right? I get that. So a lot of these lip liners you can find dupes for in Jordana, Ruby Kisses, and NYX. They do have some great lip liners for you that you're not going to be spending MAC money on, so just go to Ulta, get them. They usually be buy one get one 50% off. If you sign up for MAC lovers, they sometimes have sales where you can get like 25% off or 15% off, so just make sure you sign up for that. It's free. It's just like Sephora's VIB and Beauty Insider Club. Like, you move up as you spend money, but it doesn't cost anything to join it, so that's a really good way to get some money off on MAC liners. So the first liner that I think that you need if you're going to pull off the perfect vampy fall lip, you can wear this by itself with a gloss or as a lip liner. This is Currant. This is just a really versatile lip liner. You'll always have need for this lip liner. Let's just put it like that. Next is Night Moth. And you guys have seen me use this multiple times on this channel, but it also is really good in fall for you to outline your lips, and you can put just a gloss on top of it. Like, if you outline a Night Moth, then put like a brown gloss or a clear gloss on top. Oh my god, you're gonna look so good. Next we have Vino. Vino is a really great look for fall, and the reason I love it is that you can pair it with unconventional colors and it will look so good. This next liner is an oldie but goodie. You'll probably see it in every lip video that I ever do. It is Plum by MAC. This is also a really good fall lip liner. If you wanted to do a muted fall look, this is perfect for it. So right now I'm going to give you some swatches of some lipstick that I think that you'll look great in. If you don't have, go outside and pick them up, because I feel like these colors will look great on everybody. We have Nola Skin Essentials Velveteen. This is a beautiful brick red color. I would pair this with the Currant lip liner and it will look really amazing together. Then we have CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte in the shade, hold on, Back Talk. I will also use either Currant lip liner for this, or I'd use Vino lip liner for this. And then finally, we have Lava by ABH, and this is a great fall look. Ooh, that's so beautiful. I'm going to be wiping off the lipsticks between applications, and I'm going to be using my Cocoa Lime Lip Butter by Crazy Essentials and Max Prep and Prime to make sure that my lips stay moisturized throughout this experience. So let's get into these lip swatches.
You could be sad about it, but I can live without it. Too sad that you don't, pardon me. I gotta say before you take my words so deep or easy, I know you're not happy by me being cheesy, so pardon me. Pardon, 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 I didn't mean it that way. easy. I know you're not happy by me being cheesy. So pardon me, 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 pardon me. I don't care about good or bad, even if they ask, I still don't wanna add. Don't wanna add. You could be sad about it, but I can.
Okay guys, so that is my fall lip look swatch book. If you guys liked it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Also be sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to get to 1K by Christmas Day. I think we can do it. We're just over 200, so let's see if we can get these things moving. I want to be able to talk with you on the community. I want to be able to go live via mobile, and eventually I would like to be able to be monetized, and in order to do that I have to get to 1,000 viewers. So if you like this video, make sure you share it with some people, tell your friends to subscribe, give me a thumbs up down below to let YouTube and me know that you like it, and they can share it to other people as well. Be sure to click that subscription button and hit the notification bell so that you can be part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.